So in this lecture, we are going to start with the solution for the problems on depreciation. And first of all, it is illustration number 1. Siddhi Limited Ratnagiri purchased machinery costing 2 lakh. The machinery kitne ka liya? 2 lakhs ka liya. Where it is purchased? On 1st April 2015. Okay. Actually, I'm just noting it down here, but the April 2015 machinery purchased for these 2 lakhs. So this is the value of the machinery which is purchased. Okay. Then what is given to you? Depreciation is charged at the rate 10% per annum on the original cost each year. Original cost, fixed installment method, straight line method, सब एक ही है. So we should calculate depreciation at the rate 10% per annum on original cost. Original cost. म्हणजे मी काय करतोय प्रॉब्लेम वाचून त्यातले इम्पॉर्टंट पॉइंट बाहेर काढतोय. I am just taking out the important points by reading the problem. Okay. And the depreciation is to be charged on every 31st March. That is year ending, of course. Give journal entries and the machinery account, depreciation account for 2015-16, then 2016-17 and 17-18. Okay. हमारा year चालू कब होता है? It is starting on 1st April and ending on 31st March. That is starting on 1st April, ending on 31st March. The first transaction is on 1st April 2015 only. उसके बाद में हर 31st March को हम लोग depreciation charge करने वाले हैं, which is 10% of 2 lakhs. 10% of 2 lakhs मतलब amount कितना आने वाला है? The amount of depreciation is going to be rupees 20,000 each year. No change because this is a fixed installment method. Okay. Then how to pass the entries? Please see. 2015 1st April. Okay. पहला एंट्री आने वाला है machinery account debit to bank account. Machinery account debit to bank account amount is a 2 lakh. Narration. Being machinery purchased. So this is the first entry on 1st April 2015. वही entry आने वाला है. Machinery account debit to bank account. Machinery account debit to bank account. Okay. Then 2016. Why there is a change of the year? Because look at the first year. पहला year देखो कैसे. Starting on April 2016 and ending on 31st March 2016. एक साल पूरा हो गया. एक वर्ष पूर्ण झालं. आता काय करायचं? लावायचं. काय लावायचं? Depreciation. हे काय 10% on 2 lakhs every year 20,000. हर साल फर्स्ट ईयर, सेकेंड ईयर, थर्ड ईयर आपका डिप्रीशिएशन आने वाला है 20,000. उसका एंट्री क्या होगा? But date is 31st March 2016. Depreciation account debit rupees 20,000 to machinery account rupees 20,000. So this is the journal entry number 2. And what is the date for that? Year ending का डेट आया है क्योंकि depreciation हमेशा year ending को ही charge होता है. There are 2 occasions. Number 1 year ending, वो तो पक्का है. And second is when asset is sold. Like narration. being 10% depreciation charge, 10% depreciation charge on original cost. Original cost. Now there is a one more entry. Dekho, depreciation is our loss, and it is always to be transferred finally at the end of the year to profit and loss account. Remember my wording. Year ending ला depreciation profit and loss account ला transfer करायचं असतं. At the end of the year, you should transfer the depreciation to profit and loss account. The entry for that. Profit and loss account debit. Rupees 20,000 to depreciation account. Profit and loss account debit to depreciation account. Rupees 20,000. Here it is the end of first year. पहिलं वर्ष संपलं. The first year is finished. The first year is finished. मतलब अभी मैंने जैसे आपको टोटल वो जो पूरा लाइन मारा है आपको नहीं मारना है. मैंने और युअर अंडरस्टँडिंग तुम्हाला समजावं की पहिलं वर्ष संपलं म्हणून मी असं केलं. ओके. हा आता फार इम्पॉर्टंट है. लुक हियर प्लीज. Along with this, ledger account is also required. अब ये तीनों एंट्री का हम लोग पोस्टिंग करने वाले हैं. For all these three entries, we are going to make a posting. पहला पोस्टिंग आएगा मशीनरी अकाउंट डेबिट टू बैंक. मशीनरी अकाउंट के डेबिट ला टू बैंक. मशीनरी अकाउंट के डेबिट में आएगा टू बैंक. सेकेंड पोस्टिंग डेप्रिसिएशन अकाउंट डेबिट टू मशीनरी. मग पोस्टिंग कसं करायचं. 2016 31st March 31st March. Okay, right as a by depreciation 20,000 and depreciation account you write as a two machinery 20,000. So this is the posting of first entry, machinery account debit to bank. Machinery la लेते to bank. This is the posting of second entry. दो account में आएगा. Here it is by depreciation. Machinery account la by depreciation 20,000. Depreciation account la to machinery 20,000. And look at the last entry now. Profit and loss account debit to depreciation. So depreciation account you write as a by profit and loss account. Date same. By profit and loss account. By profit and loss account. 20,000. आता account close करा. Close down the account. You can see that depreciation account is getting closed. Depreciation account is getting closed. Same total, both sides मतलब closed. But machinery account आपको यहाँ लिखना है क्योंकि नीचे और भी 2 साल का आएगा ना. इसके नीचे और 2 साल का आएगा. Debit total minus credit total. So it is by balance carried down. By balance carried down, it is going to be 1,80,000. 2 lakh minus 20,000. And take the balance ahead. April 2016, right as a 2 balance brought down. 2 balance brought down. 1,80,000. So first year is now finished. For first year, we have passed the journal entries and also we made the posting to machinery account and depreciation account. म्हणजे पहिल्या वर्षाच्या 30 एंट्रीज पास झाल्या आणि आपण त्याचं पोस्टिंग सुद्धा केलं. ओके. Okay, now second year what will happen? Second year there is no transaction at all. मतलब फर्स्ट ईयर में हमने क्या किया था? मशीनरी परचेज किया था. सेकेंड ईयर में कुछ किया ही नहीं है. तो सेकेंड ईयर में आपको करना क्या है? सेकेंड ईयर थर्ड ईयर में आपको करना क्या है? सेकेंड ईयर इज 2016-17. You are supposed to charge only depreciation. Okay. मतलब ये लास्ट 2 एंट्रीज आने वाला है. रिपीटेड एंट्रीज. But date is now 2017, 31st March. Entry depreciation account debit. Same entry again. Amount भी same आएगा 20,000 rupees. To machinery account. Depreciation account debit to machinery account 20,000. Mean 10% depreciation charge on original cost. 10% depreciation charge on original cost. The next entry. Profit and loss account debit 20,000 to depreciation account 20,000. Profit and loss account debit 20,000 to depreciation account 20,000. Second year is now finished. Narration. Being depreciation transferred to profit and loss account. Depreciation transferred to profit and loss account. चलो अभी ये 2 एंट्री का पोस्टिंग करना है हमको. So 2017 31st March. So that is a by depreciation. It is 20,000. मैं यहाँ पे depreciation लिखा है मान के चलो. Because of the space I cannot write it properly. I hope you can listen to me and write. Here is to machinery. 20,000. And immediately buy profit and loss account. Buy profit and loss account. Rupees 20,000. What happened? Depreciation account is always getting closed. Always getting closed. Always. But your machinery account is showing balance. Machinery account को balance आने वाला है. 1,80,000 minus 20,000. So by balance carried down 1,60,000 and record here as a 2017 1st April. To balance brought down 1,60,000. So this is the way you are supposed to write. Journal entries and ledger accounts. Second year is third year is the same story. Okay. But before that, I would like to explain about depreciation account. Depreciation account, you know, it is like a bhajan account. वो भजन account है. मैं इसको भजन account बुलाता हूँ. क्यों? देखो ऐसे है. To machinery by profit and loss. To machinery by profit and loss. वो तो close ही होने वाला है. It is automatically getting closed. Okay. But machinery account is showing the balance. Anyway, now third year. Third year ending on 2018 31st March. उसका पहला एंट्री तो वही आएगा, डेप्रीसिएशन अकाउंट डेबिट ₹20,000 टू मशीनरी अकाउंट ₹20,000. Narration. Mean 10% depreciation charge on original cost. 10% depreciation charge on original cost. Then the next entry, profit and loss account debit to depreciation account. Profit and loss account debit to depreciation account. Narration. Being depreciation transferred to profit and loss account. Depreciation transferred to profit and loss account. Sir, ऐसे posting करा था 2018 31st March. By depreciation 20,000. Depreciation account you write as a to machinery. To machinery. $20,000 and to be transferred to profit and loss account. So write as a by profit and loss account. Again, your depreciation account is getting closed. No balance, zero. ये हमेशा close ही होता है, हमेशा close होता है, always getting closed. But your machinery account is showing the balance. 1,60,000 minus 20,000. By balance carried down is the 1,40,000. To be taken ahead 2018 1st April. To balance brought down 1,40,000. The problem is now finished. Okay. I am telling you how actually it is coming. Please see. The value of the machinery is 2 lakh rupees. 2 lakh रुपए का machinery का value है. What is the final balance of machinery? 1,40,000. I want to show you the proof. But how it is coming? Arithmetic है ये पूरा. कैसे आता है देखो. एक साल का depreciation कितना आपका 20,000. तो 3 साल का कितना हो गया? 20,000 multiplied by 3. 60,000. Now 2 lakh minus 60,000. What is the balance you are getting is 1,40,000. And same is the balance. देखो. Okay. So that is the solution for this particular problem. Okay. I hope तुम्हाला कळलं असेल. Shall we continue now? Next part आपण घ्यायचा का बघू आपण. Let us continue. So illustration number 2. On 1st April 2016, Messrs Poonawalla Company, Latur, purchased equipment 50,000 against the check. मतलब equipment हमने check से purchase किया है. So it is a equipment instead of machinery. Equipment है वो. My equipment account debit to bank. पहला entry आने वाला है. They decided to follow fixed installment method of depreciation. The life of the equipment is estimated at 8 years, and scrap value of the equipment at the end of its life is estimated 2,000 rupees. On January 2019, entire equipment sold for 35,000. Underline the wording entire equipment. मतलब पूरा का पूरा हमने सेल ही कर दिया. It is sold, okay, for 35,000. The firm closes its books on 31st March every year. This is very important to understand. देखो, 31st March is actually year ending, which is normally given to you. But every time it is not 31st March. Okay. Sometimes it can be 31st December also. So depending upon that, so you are supposed to consider the calculation. See, here what is important? Dates are important. Calculations are important. Okay. Now here, what is given to you, requirement काय बघा बरं, problem ची requirement काय ते बघितलं पाहिजे बरं का इथून पुढे. Requirement न बघता directly line मारायच्या नाहीयेत. Okay. You'll be in trouble. What is given to you? Prepare what? Equipment's account. And what? Past journal entries for 3rd year only, not for all years. हे सगळे years केले आपण, तसं नाही करायचं, only 3rd year. Okay. And also calculate depreciation. वो तो calculate करना ही पड़ेगा. Before that, we cannot solve. Okay. Now for this problem, first of all, let us calculate depreciation. Okay. When the percentage of depreciation is not given to you, you need to apply the formula. That is the cost of asset minus scrap value divided by estimated life of an asset in number of years. Okay. चलो चालू करते हैं. So I am writing here somewhere. So let me wipe it out to make you understand the things properly. So write the formula, please. Formula लिया सगळ्यांनी. And let us calculate the depreciation. Depreciation अपन calculate करो. So now illustration number 2. Depreciation is equal to cost of an asset minus scrap value divided by estimated life of an asset in number of years. Okay. This is the formula. Now look at the problem. What is the cost given to you? 50,000 rupees. There is nothing given to you like installation charges, fixation charges. अगर वो दिया तो आपको ऐड करना पड़ेगा. दिया नहीं है. So 50,000. And what is the scrap value given to you? Rupees 2,000. Okay. Now 50,000 minus 2,000 divided by number of years, 8 years. So rupees 50,000 minus rupees 2,000 divided by estimated life of the asset is 8 years. That is 48,000 divided by 8 years is equal to 6,000 per annum. Per annum मैंने कहा 12 months. 12 महीने का depreciation कितना आने वाला है? It is going to be rupees 6,000. Okay, 6,000 per annum. So that is the value of depreciation which is calculated by us. आपण calculate केलेली आहे. Okay. पण हा जो प्रॉब्लेम आहे हा आपण नंतरच्या लेक्चरला सोडवणार आहोत. वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व इन आवर नेक्स्ट लेक्चर, नॉट नाउ. ओके.